Hello guys. Struggling to create an effective resume, facing ATS rejections? Don't worry. In this video, we are going to see how to build a resume using AI in 3 easy steps. By the end of this video, you'll be able to easily create a professional resume and increase your chances of landing your dream job. Let's get started. Step 1. Explore Kick Resume AI. In your browser, search for Kick Resume AI. Click on the first link, kickresume.com. Here, you can create a resume, a website, a cover letter, and a resignation letter. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the resume creation. Click on the Resumes tab and then select New Resume with AI. Step 2. Provide information for your resume. Now a chat type AI wizard will open. Here, simply enter your name and job title as requested in the AI chat. AI will suggest a resume template. Choose the one that best suits your preferences. If you want more options, click on Browse them all. Here, I'm selecting this first template. Step 3. Edit your resume. Click on the Personal Information section and enter your details. To add more information, click on Add More Custom field. If you wish to change the profile description, click AI Writer and select Generate Content. Enter your desired job title and click Generate with AI. Move on to the Work Experience section and enter your relevant experiences. Proceed to the Skills section and enter your skills. Navigate to the Strengths section, enter your strengths, and click Add. To include hobbies, click on Add Hobby. Select a suitable icon and enter your hobby. If you want to add more sections, for instance, to add a graph section, click on Graph. You will observe the newly added graph section. Here, I input my language proficiency and adjusted the slider to reflect my skill level. To complete the process, click the Download button and choose the PDF download option. That's it. You've successfully created your professional resume using AI. Good luck with your job search. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more videos. Thanks for watching.